Hello children, welcome to class 3 English 2. Yesterday we have learned a new lesson, Puppy and I. Okay, all of you understood now? All of you done the homework? Yes. What did we learn yesterday? The boy asked the man where he was going. Then the man said he was going to the village to get some bread. Then he asked the boy to accompany him, but the boy refused to go with him. Then he met a horse and asked the horse where it is going. Then the horse said it was also going to the village. Then the horse asked to get some hay. Then the horse asked the boy to accompany it, but the boy refused. Okay. Then what happened next? The horse went away and the boy continued his walking. Then he met a woman. And what did he ask to the woman? Today we will learn that. Okay, listen. I met a woman as I went walking. We got talking, woman and I. Where are you going to, woman? So early, I said to the woman as she went by. Down to the village to get some barley. Will you come with me? No, not I. What happened here? The boy met a woman as he went walking. Then they both talking, woman and the boy. Then the boy asked the woman, where are you going to, woman, so early? So early, woman, where are you going? Then what did the woman say? Down to the village to get some barley. Okay, I am going to the village to get some barley. What is barley? Barley is a grain used as food. Okay, we use rice, wheat, no, these are all grains, no, like that. Barley is also a grain used as food. So in order to get some barley, I am going to the village. Then the woman asked the boy, will you come with me? Do you want to come with me? Then what did the boy say? No, not I. No, I am not coming with you. Okay. Then what happened? The woman went away and the boy continued his talking. Then what happened next? I met some rabbits as I went walking. We got talking, rabbits and I. Where are you going in your white fur coats? I said to the rabbits as they went by. Down to the village to get some oats. Will you come with us? No, not I. Here, the boy met some rabbits. Boy saw some rabbits as he was walking. Then both the rabbits and the boy were talking. Then when they were talking, the boy asked the rabbits, where are you going in your white fur coats? What is this white fur coats? Rabbit has white color, no? So rabbit's body is covered with full of white fur. Okay. So the poet is saying here they are wearing coats, white coats, like white coats. Actually it is not coat but white fur. Okay. So the boy is asking to the rabbits, where are you going in your white fur clothes? Then what did they say? Down to the village to get some oats. I am going to the village to get some oats. O-A-T-S, oats. What is this oats? Oats is also a grain of a plant used as food for humans and animals. We human being and animals also use this oats as food. Okay. Sometimes we have oats, no? Okay, oats, O-A-T-S, oats. Oats is also a grain of a plant. Okay, so the rabbits were going to the village to get some oats. Then the rabbits asked the boy, will you come with us? You want to come with us? Do you want to come with us? Then what did the boy said? No, not I. I am not coming with you. Okay, no, I am not coming with you. So he met the woman and some rabbits. Both were asking to the boy, will you come with us? But The boy refused to go with them. At first he met a man and he asked the man was going to the village to get some bread, and the horse was going to the village to get some hay. Then the woman was going to the village to get some barley. Then rabbits were also going to the village to get some oats, and all of them asked the boy to accompany them, but the boy refused to go with them. Okay, understood? Then the next stanza we will learn tomorrow. Okay, then read the lesson very well. Okay, then today one homework is also there. Page number 25, some words are given there, no dictation, words with meaning. You have to write the words with meaning in your classwork copy. Clear? I will read the words. Hay, Hay, hay. Grass cut and dried and used to feed animals such as cattle, sheep and horses. Okay. Then barley. What is the meaning of barley? A grain used as food. Then a grain used as food. Then oats, grain of a plant used as food for humans and animals. Okay, these three words with meaning you have to write in copy. Okay, bye.